No calculator, no Google. Can you solve this? 97% students see this and immediately panic due to this ugly exponent. But there's a hidden trick here, and once you spot it, the whole equation becomes surprisingly easy. So let's take a look in here. We can write bracket 3 square as 9 and 2 square as a 4. Bracket rise to the power 9 divided by 4. After that, we can write here equal to second bracket, first bracket 3 divided by 2, first bracket whole square, second bracket 9 divided by 4. This is the power. After that, we can write 3 divided by 2 and make this whole square. Alright, after that we can write 2 times 9 divided by 4. This is just using the exponential equation formula rules. After that, this square and this 4 will be cancelled out, and we get 3 divided by 2 bracket 9 to the power 9 divided by 2 is the rise to the power. So here we can write 3 divided by 2 bracket 4 plus 5 divided by 2. We just simplify the power of 9 as 4 plus 5. After that, bracket 3 divided by 2 bracket, we can write 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2, and this 4 and 2 will be cancelled out. Then we will get 3 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 5 divided by 2. This is the power. Now we have to use an exponential formula rule in here, which is a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Hey guys, these bugs are in here. She want to learn math like us. Just kidding. Now we can write bracket 3 divided by 2 to the power square and 3 divided by 2 to the power 5 divided by 2. Now the equation is much more easier to simplify. We just use this formula in here. I think you will do it, right? After that, we can write 3 square divided by 2 square times 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 divided 2 times 5. We just take the 5 as single. Now we can write 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to divided by 4. Now here we can write 1 by 2 as the power is equal to root over 3 by 2. You know the value of root is half. So this the power we find 5. After that we can write here 9 divided by 4 root over 3 divided by root over 2 bracket to the power 5. After that 9 divided by 4 times root over 3 to the power 5 and divided by root over 2 to the power 5. After that the equation will be 9 to the power 9 divided by 4, and also we can write here root over 3 is here in 5 times, so we can simplify root over 3 times like 5. Root over 3 after the top we go into the bottom as like root over 2 5 times. After that, the equation will be 9 divided by 4 divided by root over 3. This root over 2 will be square times root over 3. This root over 3 will be square times this single will be in here, just single, like me. Guys, are you single? Comment. Now root over 2 whole square, root over 2 whole square, and this single will be in here like me. Oh, this is so disappointed. After that, 9 divided by 4 times 3 is root over 3 square is equal root over 3 times 3, and this single 3 and the single 2 will be in here also. After that, 9 divided by 4, and we can write 3 times 3 will be 9 to the power 4, and this single 2 will be root over 3 single and divided by root over 2. So we can write 81 root over 3, 6 divided by 16 root over 2. So here 81 times root over 3, 16 times root over 2. So we have to write root over 2 times root over 2, because this is the value of 1 when we divided this. After that, 18 times root over 3 times 2 and 16 times root over 2 times 2 is equal to 81 root over 6 and 16 times root over 4. So here we just write the simplify value 81 root over 6 times root over 16 and 16 times 2. So the real value will be 81 times root over 16 divided by 32. This is the real answer. So hope you are guys enjoying this solution, and did you get it right? Comment. If yes, are you, then you are the ahead of most people watching this video. Comment, I solved